Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a sprint planning. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is an event of management and order. It got the following characteristics. It is the first Scrum event where the tasks to be carried out are planned in the sprint in progress. In this meeting participates in all collaborative way all the Scrum team, Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development team. The sprint planning meeting must be 4 hours of length. In this meeting, there should be totally clear of role, activities, responsibilities for each action and activities in the sprint. This event is exclusive of the Scrum methodology. However, other methodologies have similar events but with different names, but the idea is basically the same. Well, as I was telling you, the sprint planning is very important when you are developing a project with the Scrum methodology. This is the first thing that you do. This is like the chart, basic chart, and is divided in three parts. The first part is the input. Then we got the sprint planning, and then we have the output. In the first part, in the input, we all get together, all the team, and we know what are we going to develop. If we are going to develop a product, if we're going to develop a service, or if we're going to fix or improve a problematic. After everyone knows that, we start working in the capability and speed. It means all the resources that we got available, and it's very important that everyone in the group know what do we got. That is very important. After that, it's very important to know in which status the project is, because not always start from the beginning, because maybe we can take a project that is already developed in certain parts, so we need to know how is it going. It's very important to know what kind of things we can do and which we cannot. And it's very important that everyone involved in the project know that. So the restrictions are very important that everyone is aware of that. Okay, who are the participants in the sprint planning? The product owner, the scrum master, and the whole team of development. That is very important that everyone who's involved in this process know exactly what they are doing. Then the time. Remember, we got a maximum of 4 hours to do this, because we have to put every single task, everyone have to know each other to know what they are going to do. So this could be between 2 or 4 hours. In Scrum, we make daily Scrum meetings and things like that, but this one is the longest one, and it's very important that all the tasks are very clear for each one. As an output, it's very important that we determine which is the sprint objective. It means the sprint goal. At the end of the development, what do we have to have? Very important that everyone know that and be aware of what is the development that we are making. Finally, it's important that we start developing the sprint backlog. If you don't know how to make the sprint backlog, please check our video here in the channel, because over there we explain what is it and how to do it. Because even though that we make the planification and we put together all the roles, the sprint backlog is extremely important, because it's the chart when all the different tasks will be specified by every single member, and everyone know what they have to do for each sprint. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the sprint planning, the sprint goal and the sprint iteration backlog should be fully defined. That is extremely important, because over there we do the sprint backlog. The success of the meeting relies in the rigor with each resources are built and complement between each other. That is very important, because after this meeting, all the structure of the project should be clear. Everyone should know what to do, when they have to submit it, and if you can help other members of the team, it will be very important, because it will allow you to fortify that process. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Over here we got the link for our Udemy courses that are already available for everyone who wants to take them. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.